how to fix Wattpad app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So first things first, if your Wattpad is not working, what you want to do is go to your app store and make sure the app is updated. And then after that, what you can do is search for a VPN and then install any VPN and use the VPN and check if the Wattpad works after you switch on the VPN. And another option is to go to your settings and then go to general and tap on iPhone storage. Scroll down till you find Wattpad and then make sure that you offload the app and reinstall it again. Offloading does not delete any of your data, it just uninstall it with your data kept safe. So just reinstall it again and then check if it starts working again. And another thing what you can do is obviously restart your phone. Sometimes it goes a long way. And that's it. After that, I'm sure your problem will be fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like these. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.